Please welcome the 73rd edition of the Vaudevillities Men's Chorus.
Take all that time.
Raindrops keep falling on my head, and just like the guy whose feet are too big for his bed, nothing seems to fit. Those raindrops keep falling on my head.
Lovely smile. Pulse.
Oh, I just did need some talking to the sun, and I said I didn't like the way.
Jackie, you could still stand to move in a little bit. I hope you see that in the formation that's here.
Those raindrops are falling.
This is good. The formation is good. Hold your arm out on that umbrella there. Or you'll get that before opening night.
Won't be long till happiness steps up to greet me.
Make sure your feet close after this step.
Falling on my head, but that doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turned.
Feet together, feet together, feet together. There, middle people.
I'm never gonna stop the rain by
Cindy went a little early.
because I'm free. Nothing's worrying me.
Linda, move out in this formation just a little so that we can see Laura a little better in that window.
It won't be long till happiness steps up to greet.
So look at the difference right here between Karen and Jackie as it relates to center. So Karen's line should slide out toward the wing a little more so that you have a little more room to travel here, just a little. Jackie, your spacing here is much better. So aim for that mic. It looks like you need to aim for the mic when you first come out at the very beginning. Hold this leg out, but much better. Cynthia, you should be downstage a little more.